Hello editors, in this video, I will teach you how to make AE-like text in CapCut. I have also ready a preset for Alight motion. Since I've already made a text tutorial, we will go deeper into this AE-like text. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I recommend to watch this video till the end. Let's go. So how to do it on CapCut. Create a new project with black background. Change aspect ratio to square. Add a text layer. Customize it however you want, including font, size, spacing, or stroke. After you are done, screenshot it. You can now create a new project or continue. Insert the overlay you want to be in the text. If you are having problem with that, join my Discord server with high-quality editing resources, including overlays. If you have picked an overlay, get it into main track, then attaching the screenshot we just took as an overlay. Head to remove background and go with chroma key, choosing the color of the text. As you can see, the overlay is now in our text. You can pick any image to get into the text too. That's a good note. Okay, now if you have picked the overlay in video format, export it. If the overlay is as an image, you can just screenshot it. Now how to add it to your edit. Open up your project, insert the text overlay. Again, go to remove background and pick chroma key, now choosing the color of the background. If you want to apply glow, click on effects for just the text overlay and search glow 2. Adjust it however you want. Now that the overlay is in your edit, let's add some animations. For one-word text, use simple fade in and fade out animations. For full sentences, use a smooth animation with a mask. Go to mask and follow my steps to create a clean reveal animation. If you are not looking for this fancy animation, skip it to this time, because there I have something important to mention. You better not miss that out. If the text overlay is hard to see because of brightness or strong light in your main video, here's how to fix it. Add a black background behind the text overlay. Make sure the background is the same length as the overlay. For one-word text, again, use fade in and fade out. For full sentences, go to mask and follow my steps to make the text stand out smoothly. If you don't need to know how to add shadows to the fancy animation, which I showed you before, you can skip it to this time. We will continue with the Alight motion preset, suggesting you check it out as well. Now the XML preset tutorial. You can download the file from my Discord server, link down below. Quick guide for those which don't know how to import XML file to Alight motion. Here we are, 2 texts, one expanding and normal one. Change your text however you want, of course. For those who don't know Alight motion well, I will explain everything important. So first, go to Effects. Here, if you are going to use this for edit on CapCut, you better disable all edge glow effects. If you are using this for Alight motion, straight in the edit, then keep the edge glow. In fractal ridges, you can replace the colors with whatever combination. I will delete the expanding text because I don't need it right now. Okay, and last important thing, if you want your text to be longer, that 1 second, because as you can see, after the keyframe ends, the movement of the text stops too. To fix that, click on fractal ridges and put a keyframe at the end of the text and make the evolution bigger, so it's still moving. Then export it, and how to add it to CapCut. I have already shown you. If you didn't understand something or need help, don't hesitate to comment the issue. Please like and subscribe. I will appreciate that a lot. See you next time.